In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a mind map to another canvas in Whimsical. Whether you're an avid mind mapper organizing projects or just starting with Whimsical, this handy tip will make your workflow so much smoother. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you're working on a complex mind map in Whimsical, packed with ideas and connections that you want to replicate in a fresh canvas. The very first step you need to take is to select the node or nodes that you want to copy. This is quite straightforward. Simply navigate through your mind map and click on the specific node. If there are multiple nodes that you want to transfer, hold down the Shift key as you click each one. This ensures that all your selected nodes are ready for the next step. Selecting nodes carefully helps maintain the integrity of the information you're moving. Once you've selected your nodes, the next step is to copy them. If you're using a Windows system, press the Control key along with the C key. For those on a Mac, it's the Command key plus C. This step creates a digital clipboard copy of your selected content, ready for duplication elsewhere. It's essential to note that the copying process doesn't alter or remove your original mind map, so your work remains intact and untouched. Now that you have your nodes copied, it's time to open or create the destination canvas or file. This is where your replicated mind map will reside. If it's a canvas you already have, make sure it's open and ready. If you're creating a new one, use Whimsical's interface to quickly set up a new canvas. Having a designated canvas prepared ensures a seamless transfer when pasting your content. Finally, with your destination canvas open, it's time for the last crucial step: pasting the copied content. Simply use Ctrl+V if you're on a Windows machine or Command+V on a Mac. With a simple keyboard shortcut, the content you've copied will appear in your new canvas, retaining the structure and details as you originally selected. This step is not just about moving text or images. It's about preserving the connections that your mind map comprises. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to duplicate sections or even entire mind maps into a new space within Whimsical. Remember, this process allows you to effortlessly expand your projects across multiple canvases without losing any of that intricate mapping you've worked so hard on. Now you can confidently cast your ideas into whichever part of your Whimsical universe you choose. As always, happy mind mapping.